I just spent 10 minutes studying what used to take me 3 hours. No, I'm not on some sketchy brain supplement. No, I did my homework. I just cracked the code on how your brain actually learns. And I'm about to expose the biggest lie teachers never told you: studying harder is making you dumber. The next 6 minutes will change how you learn forever. And if you stick to the end, you'll never waste another hour pretending to study. Let's go. Quick reality check. 90% of students waste hours studying without actually learning. You reread the same page 5 times and remember nothing. You tell yourself, I'll study for 3 hours and somehow watch 47 TikToks instead. Sound familiar? The problem isn't you, it's your methods. So let's fix this. Here are 6 scientifically proven brain hacks that'll make you study like your brain is on cheat codes. Hack number 1. The 20-minute trick. Why your brain hates studying. Your brain is lazy. It's designed to conserve energy. Tell it study for 3 hours and it'll go into full panic mode. The solution? Lie to it. The fix? Say, I'll only study for 20 minutes. Your brain goes, oh, that's easy. You start, and suddenly you're in flow state. 20 minutes becomes 40, then 60. Key point, write down exactly what you'll cover. Don't say, study biology. Say, learn photosynthesis plus quiz myself in 20 minutes. Your brain loves clarity. Give it a roadmap. Hack number 2, the 80-20 rule. The truth bomb. Not all topics are equal. 20% of your material equals 80% of your exam. So why are you wasting time memorizing random facts that'll never show up? Your action plan. 1. Grab past exam papers. Do this first, not last minute. 2. Find the patterns. What shows up every single year? 3. Focus 80% of your time on that 20% of content. 4. Ignore the rest. Seriously, let it go. Real talk. That random chapter nobody talks about. Skip it. Focus on what matters. Hack number 3. The speed mode timer. Why deadlines work. Ever notice you're a genius the night before an exam? That's urgency. We're going to weaponize it. The 30-minute sprint method. Set timer, 30 minutes. Study like it's a life or death exam. Break, 5 minutes. Guilt-free scrolling allowed. Repeat. Why this is magic. Short bursts equals no burnout. Your brain knows a break is coming. You avoid fake studying. Staring at notes is not learning. Hack number 4. The Feynman technique. Einstein's secret. If you can't explain it to a 5-year-old, you don't understand it. Translation. Want to learn fast? Teach it. How to use it. 1. Pick a concept. Example, how black holes work. 2. Explain it out loud, like you're talking to a kid. Oh, no jargon, no fancy words. Oh, simple, clear, done. 3. Get stuck? That's where you don't actually understand it. 4. Go back and relearn that specific part. 5. Simplify even more. The result, you don't just memorize, you master it. Bonus move, write it down or record yourself explaining it. Your brain goes into deep processing mode. Hack number 5. Active recall. Stop rereading, start testing. Reading notes 10 times equals 0 retention. Testing yourself once equals double the memory. Science backs this up. How to actually remember. Don't reread your notes. Close the book and write down everything you remember. Don't copy notes. Write from memory, then check what you missed. The blurting technique. Read a chapter, close the book, write everything you remember, check what you missed. Instant memory upgrade. This burns information into your brain. Use it. Hack number 6. Sleep plus movement. The sleep hack. Your brain doesn't save information while you're studying. It saves it while you sleep. All-nighters, you're literally deleting what you just learned. The formula, 7 to 8 hours of sleep equals brain locks in information. 10-minute walk equals memory boost. Study breaks with movement equals better retention. Real talk, exercise isn't optional. It's a performance drug for your brain. Your study cheat sheet. All right, here's your formula. Screenshot this. The 6-step system. 1. 20-minute sprints. Trick your lazy brain. 2. 80-20 rule. Focus on what matters. 3. Timer method. Activate urgency mode. 4. Feynman technique. Teach to learn. 5. Active recall. Test, don't reread. 6. Sleep plus exercise. Free upgrades. That's it. That's the system. Here's your challenge. Pick one hack. Try it today. Drop a comment telling me which one you used and what happened. And if you want more brain-melting study hacks that'll make your friends think you're cheating, hit subscribe. New video every week. Remember, knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is. So stop watching, start doing. Now go destroy that exam.